Is your engine sputtering, losing power, or flashing that dreaded check engine light at you? If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled up the code P2327, you might be scratching your head wondering what ignition coil J primary control circuit low actually means. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but we can break this down into plain English. Basically, your car's brain, the powertrain control module, or PCM, is telling you that it sees unexpectedly low voltage going to a specific ignition coil. In this case, it is coil letter J. Now, since every car manufacturer labels their cylinders differently, you will need to check your specific manual to find out exactly which cylinder corresponds to letter J, but the problem is the same regardless. We are talking about the primary circuit here. These are the small wires that feed battery voltage to the coil, not the thick high-energy spark plug wire. Usually, the coil gets power from a fuse or relay, and the computer controls the ground to fire the spark. When that voltage is too low, the coil cannot build up enough energy to create a spark, and that cylinder goes dead. That explains why your car feels like it has no horsepower and is misfire. Before you go out and buy a new coil, you need to play detective. Believe it or not, one of the most common causes for this specific code is actually wildlife. Mice and squirrels love to nest on warm engines and chew through wires, so pop the hood and look closely at the wiring harness for any signs of damage. If the wires look okay, grab your digital volt ohm meter, or DVOM. You want to see if battery voltage is actually reaching the coil. If not, backtrack to your fuses and relays. If you do have power, check the ground signal from the computer. It's a process of elimination. Start with the cheap stuff, like fuses and visual checks, before you replace the coil or the computer. It is annoying, but finding the root cause is better than throwing parts at it.